to our latest video, where we'll be exploring the highly anticipated 2024 BMW i8. This car is a revolutionary hybrid supercar that redefines the boundaries of power, style, and sustainability. In this video, we'll delve into the groundbreaking features of this game-changing vehicle. The 2024 BMW i8 is a head-turner with its sleek, aerodynamic design and uncompromising luxury. We'll take a closer look at the exterior, highlighting unique features like oversized air intakes, carbon fiber strakes, and gull-wing doors. We'll also discuss the latest advancements in the car's dimensions, including its low profile and broad stance. Under the hood, the BMW i8 boasts a powerful 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with 2 electric motors. This combination delivers an impressive 591 horsepower, making it a force to be reckoned with on the road. We'll dive into the details of the engine, the electric motor setup, and the sophisticated computer systems that make this powertrain so effective. One of the most significant improvements in the 2024 BMW i8 is its all-electric driving range. With a projected range of more than 100 kilometers before the gasoline engine kicks in, this car offers a practical electric driving experience. We'll discuss the battery capacity, the charging technology, and the charging speed, ensuring you're well informed about the car's capabilities. Inside the BMW i8, you'll find a cockpit that's as innovative as the car itself. We'll explore the advanced infotainment system, BMW's Boost Pod, which features several glass screens and a head-up display. We'll also discuss the latest lightweight details, sports seats, and high-quality materials used in the cabin. Plus, we'll touch on the availability of a front trunk or frunk for additional cargo space. Safety is paramount in the 2024 BMW i8. We'll discuss the standard safety features, such as automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and available adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode. We'll also touch on the possibility of more advanced driver assistance features. The 2024 BMW i8 is set to be a rare and expensive sports car with a predicted starting price of around $160,000. We'll discuss the production version's potential changes and the limited availability of this high-performance vehicle. That's all for today's video on the 2024 BMW i8. We hope you've enjoyed this detailed exploration of this groundbreaking electric hybrid supercar. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay tuned for more updates on the latest automotive innovations.